As a democratic government, we welcome whatever the judgment we have received today from the Supreme Court. But we had expected a better judgment because, as you know that throughout the world, women are demanding not to wear hijab, not to wear burqa. But there is a split judgment in the Supreme Court today. So whatever the Karnataka High Court had given the order, that is valid as on today. So we are going to follow the rules which are framed according to Karnataka Education Act in Karnataka. Definitely three-bench Supreme Court is going to think everything on the demand of the students and the order of the Karnataka Education Department. And we expect a better judgment